Indonesia, the biggest archipelagic country in the world that was blessed with abundant natural resources. Indonesia is a country with the second most extensive forest coverage in the world, with more than 39 million hectares of forest, with 40,000 of plant species spread throughout this country's land. We see this as an opportunity that can be taken advantage of. Sinkona Indonesia Lestari or SIL is a state-owned company that has been founded since October 1986. Our vision is to be the main manufacturer of quality natural extract materials from Indonesia who gives added value to customers. We produce quinine, various types of essential oil, and export quality extract natural materials. We work together with stakeholders, suppliers, and farmers to ensure our production chains are well maintained. With our extensive experience in producing quinine, currently, SIL is developing our latest business product, essential oil. We are producing various essential oil products with 6 major products: patchouli oil, citronella oil, nutmeg oil, clove oil, vetiver oil, and ginger oil. Producing quality essential oil requires long process. Everything begins from here. Good activity on farm is the key to produce best product. Everything is supervised carefully and meticulously, starting from nursery, planning, harvesting, post-harvest, distillation on farm, up to filtration treatment. Having wide range of variety of uniqueness from each and every basic materials we have. The treatment we are doing to each material will also be varying too. SIL is building commitment with the partners to synergize in building mutual benefit cooperation. We provide market guarantee to our value partners, so we also get guarantee raw material supplies in quality and quantity. After passing through long process in plantation, all basic materials are sent to our factory located in Subang, West Java. All the raw materials will firstly go through the sorting process to make sure no dirty substances get brought into the distillation process. After the sorting process done, next stage process is the distillation process. All the distillation processes is done using our production facilities made of stainless steel basic materials, as to ensure the quality of oil essential products. The distilled oil result still have different grades, so it is necessary for the blending process to be done in order to have homogenic quality oil result. This essential oil blending result are finally improved through the fractionation process to have the highest quality grade that is ready to be marketed to our consumer. SIL is able to guarantee the 350-ton essential oil production output every year. How do we guarantee our essential oil product from the beginning to achieve customer requirement? First, we are using modern production facilities. And also meticulous supervision of the production process. We have agreement to test and analyze the product supplied by our partners, so we can separate the oil result based on its content and its contaminants. Research and development is done continuously to constantly improve the quality of production, starting from the cultural processes, improving the refining methods, and increasing the content in all of other essential oil products. Product quality and safety for consumer is always be the main priority for SIL. We're doing all the necessary steps to ensure the entire production process adheres to the official production protocol. This is proven by various awards we received. Our essential oil products are also already marketed to some segments. Among others, Hold House segment, personal care, flavors and fragrance, pharmacy, chemistry, and manufacturing, which are well spread both in local and international market. To constantly develop the market, SEAL is actively following various international exhibitions. Among others, International Trade Expo, Indonesian Cosmetic and Ingredients, National Essential Oil Conference, and the International Federation of Essential Oil and Aroma Trades. Not only focused to increase production quality, SEAL is also active to continuously trying to contribute and give good impacts for the surrounding communities. Various social activities are continuously done by SEAL so as to provide benefit for the surrounded communities and also SEAL. With various challenges there are today and then, SEAL will always continue to develop and aspire to become the main producer of quality natural materials from Indonesia.
We committed to build a sustainable business in essential oil with all the investment and strengthen partnership in our sourcing using latest technology and competent human resources. We are ready to collaborate with all stakeholders, so let's work together with Sinkona Indonesia Lestari.